Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to fix mouse not working in Windows 10. Type Device Manager in Windows search bar. Click Device Manager. Click and expand mice and other pointing devices. Click HID Compliance Mouse. Right-click, click Properties. Click Driver tab. Click Uninstall Device. Click Uninstall. Press Alt F4 to close the menu. Open Start menu and restart your system. Thanks for watching. I hope this video tutorial helps to solve the problem. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you next video.